1. Space is filled with mysterious sounds, and I'm not talking about alien music. NASA has recorded a range of strange noises, from whistles to howls, coming from different planets and stars. These sounds are actually forms of electromagnetic energy that are picked up by spacecraft and converted into audio waves. 2. There's a giant storm on Jupiter that's been raging for centuries, known as the Great Red Spot. This massive anticyclonic storm is so large that it could swallow several Earths whole, and it's been continuously raging since at least 1831. The storm is thought to be a persistent anticyclonic storm, similar to a hurricane on Earth, but much larger and more powerful. 3. Space has a weird effect on the human body, and one of the weirdest effects is that it can make you grow taller. In zero gravity, the spine can expand by up to 2 inches, making astronauts temporarily taller than they are on Earth. This is because the spine is not being compressed by the weight of the body, allowing it to expand and stretch out. 4. There's a giant cloud of water vapor floating in space, and it's so large that it could supply water to every person on Earth for millions of years. This cloud is located about 10 billion light-years away, and it's thought to be a remnant of a massive star-forming region. The cloud is made up of water vapor, as well as other gases and dust, and it's a fascinating discovery for scientists studying the formation of stars and galaxies. 5. The universe has a great attractor that's pulling our galaxy, the Milky Way, and many others towards it. This region of space is located about 250 million light-years away, and it's thought to be a large, unseen mass that's exerting a gravitational pull on the surrounding galaxies. The Great Attractor is still a bit of a mystery, but scientists think it could be a large galaxy cluster or even a dark matter halo.